Hi, Karl here, KE0JWK. I know some of you were expecting this video to be on using the MFJ225 analyzer with the IG Mini VNA software, but when I got ready to do the video, I thought about when I installed the IG Mini VNA software, I had uh, a little bit of an issue. Wasn't a big deal, but I want to run you guys through it just to save you the aggravation. Um, the uh, the program is a French written program, so when you first open it up, it's just in French. All the writing on it is. So I think it includes 10 different language files, and that's where my issue really came in. So I'm going to kind of run you through downloading the software and then take it from to the install. Okay, so if you go to MFJ's website and go to the MFJ225, you're going to be looking at a page like this. Right below the product, you'll see the downloads, the reviews, and submit a review. Click on the download. It'll take you to this page. The freeware for use with the MFJ225. You want to click on that and it will download to whatever place you designate in your computer. Um, in my case, I downloaded to my download file. I've got a ham radio folder. That's where I put it, and that's what it ends up. It's a zip archive. Um, I use 7-zip for my zip files, so it brings me into a screen like this. Now, just extracting or double clicking on the IG Mini VNA software. Um, let's do that real quick and I'll show you what you get. Hopefully, if it doesn't take too long. Okay, it's already in use, so it's not going to do it because I've got it opened. Um, so anyway, um, when it brings it up right off the bat, it's going to be in French. It also contains a language folder here. So what I had to do to make it work right, I created a folder for um, the IG Mini VNA. You can put it anywhere you want, call it anything you want. Just make your folder ahead of time. Highlight this exec file. Um, Click copy and copy it over to the folder that you want to put it in. Um, the next thing you need to do is also copy the language file, the LNG, over to the same folder. You can't just take the English language um, out of it and put it in there. It won't find it. So you've got to move this whole, or I wouldn't move it. I tend to leave my zip files together. I would copy it over to the same folder that you put the execute file in. That's all you should need to do. Then when you open it up, let me find it here. Okay. Um, you want to go to configure. If it hasn't already found your language for you, click on language, highlight the English language file, click OK, and it should bring everything up in English for you. I did notice that some of their translations aren't real great. There's a few places in here that I noticed it was still a little Frenchish, so to speak, but no big deal, nothing you can't find your way through. Other than that, I really like the software. I think I mentioned before there are some other packages out there that I've read will work with the 225. I haven't tried them yet. I like this program. I'm going to use it for a while, and once I have a pretty good handle on it, I will probably seek out and see if there's something I like a little better. Now, the one thing that whether you're using the MFJ225 as a standalone or with the program, when it comes to your capacitance, it won't show you the negative or positive sign on it. But there's a program called Z-Plots that it's my understanding will calculate the sign so you know whether you need to add capacitance or inductance to something. Um, the I haven't tried it yet. I don't have downloaded. Will try it. It'll be if it works out well, or maybe even if it doesn't, it'll be added into this series of videos for the MFJ 225. So anyway, I hope today finds you well. It's New Year's Eve here, and I hope everyone has a safe, happy New Year's Eve. And so be very careful. I want to see you in 2019. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. It would help me out a lot. Um, on YouTube, the more subscribers you have, the more your videos will come up in searches when people are looking for other things. It's kind of like Google or anything else. The way their algorithms work, the more subscribers you have, the more it gives other people a chance to watch what you have to offer. So I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much.